So our journey with SoftWash Systems started back in 2018. Met Darren, met AC and Karen, and really enjoyed the whole training element and also the equipment that was on offer at the time.
Okay, so what is your biggest win since you joined SoftWash Systems?
I think that comes back down to training again, because as an experienced exterior cleaning company, we have really embraced the training that's on offer. So whether that's the entry-level certified all the way through to the 5-star company that we are now, and then that opens up to all of the job descriptions within our business.
What are the other benefits you've found in your personal life since joining SoftWash Systems? Have there been any benefits to your business?
So I think the biggest benefit is having those job descriptions have enabled us to make sure that we've hired the right team. And on a personal level, I don't work a Thursday anymore.
So what does being a Pro Staff member mean to you?
For me personally, I've been in the cleaning industry now for 26 years. And I think now I've come to a time of life where I want to be able to help others. So being a Pro Staff member enables me to take a step back from my own business. So it enables me to help those companies that are just coming in, whether it's from a mentoring point of view, being at the end of the telephone to be able to answer any technical questions, methods to clean surfaces, and just be a general support and a sounding board if they've got any worries from a day-to-day point of view.
And what would you say to anyone who might be thinking about attending one of our SoftWash Systems training courses?
I think it's something that if you're going to pursue either a new opportunity or you've been in the exterior window cleaning game for a number of years and you want to up your level of service and also your professionalism, then I think those 3 days taken out from working in the business to working on, I think is paramount.
Thank you very much.